A lot of crypto coins are gearing up for potential movement to the upside. So let's take a look what can we expect in the upcoming days. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not financial advice like always. Do your own goddamn research, but if you want my opinion about what is going on in the market, please watch this video till the end. Click that like and subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing, and by doing that you will motivate me to make more educational videos about trading. So let's dive into the crypto world. Before we start, all I want to say that if you remember my previous calls, of course we're right now on the Bitcoin charts on the daily time frames. If you remember my previous call on Bitcoin, that I was mentioning you guys that there's a probability to see a bounce from around this level 52, 53-ish, something like that right here. And we did see, well, we saw a bounce back up, boom, and a breakout to the upside. The whole movement was, well, about like 25%. Of course, after the breakout, it's almost 10%. So congratulations for those who took it. And if you're not in my Telegram group, what I'm sharing, I mean, every single day, free trading ideas, free trading calls. Join now, because every single post will be deleted in 24 hours. So I want you guys to be, be fast, act fast. I don't want you guys to be left behind. Of course, all the data will be stored in my whale room, but in my premium group, but it's a different story. So turn on your notifications and wait for my goddamn call. So beautiful movement to the upside. Look how beautifully those trend line was working. Like, beautiful, absolutely beautiful descending trend that was respected. Multiple touches, like I mentioned in my video about trend lines. The more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. Boom, breakout, movement to the upside. And this beautiful trend line, hold on, I'm just gonna delete this to see a bigger picture. Beautiful, multiple touches on this support trend line. And yeah, bounce back up. Look at how accurate it was on this trend line. Bounce back up from the trend line. Boom, beautiful. So now there's a probability, I'm expecting Bitcoin will retest this $73,000 per Bitcoin. And of course, I'm waiting for this breakout to the upside through this resistance zone. Multiple times we got rejected from this resistance level, so keep an eye on this, I don't know, red box. You can redraw it or you can find it on my Telegram group. So yeah, so that's pretty much about Bitcoin. If we are looking at, well, let's just say we take a look on the Fibonacci. Of course, right now we are facing this golden zone that acts like a resistance, and of course this discount zone for a potential short sell position. But I don't want to short, I want to be bullish on this one. And of course, because, just bear with me, we're going to talk about some altcoins. We're going to take an example on altcoins, what we are forming at this current moment, because everything actually looks bullish. So bear with me. Ethereum at this point also bounced back up from this beautiful support trend line, right? Multiple touches here, boom, multiple touches, sellers, buyers, boom, breakout. Now, right now, sellers, buyers are in control because we beat this descending trend line. And right now, there's a potential movement to the upside to retest $4,000 once again. I'm super bullish. I'm super excited. I want to see the $4,000 because my portfolio can bump. Of course, not a financial advice. Like always, there's also a bearish scenario. We can, boom, close below this resistance zone and get back inside this, I don't know, like a channel, triangle, whatever, once again. But of course, like I mentioned, I'm bullish. I'm looking for this potential movement to retest $4,000. Of course, Ethereum and Bitcoin took off, and right now for us to take a long trade would be, I don't want to say it's irrational, but it's still risky because we have better setups at this moment. Just bear with me. All right, Altcoin. You know that I'm bullish on Altcoin, and right now I need more data. I'm right now in the middle of analyzing Altcoin. So we'll see, maybe some kind of like this scenario will play out. I don't know, we'll see. Descending trend line, boom, breakout, movement to the upside, because right now that I see that every single time Altcoin is creating higher lows, movement towards the upside. Of course, this trend line acts like resistance. So I'm heavily investing in Altcoin. I'm a Altcoin lover, if you want to say that. But yeah, so there's not enough data on Altcoin for me to make my decision on the daily time frame, maybe on the lower time frame, but I want to take a look what is going on the daily time frame. So sue me, I'm not gonna zoom on those lower time frames. On the other hand, Altcoin, after this, if you remember my previous call, of course, seriously guys, every single post will be deleted in 24 hours. So if you want to see those setups like this, I mean, just turn on your notifications and download my dataset, download my technical analysis, and that's it. So look at this beautiful, that was like potential falling wedge pattern that was broken to the upside. And from this demand zone, bounce back up. And right now, forming an ascending triangle pattern. Of course, we'll see if it plays out. But right now, I see the probability, potential movement to the upside. Boom. Target points would be like those pivot points. And yeah, that's what I'm also in the middle of analyzing Altcoin as well. Of course, ascending triangle pattern. We'll see if it plays out, because right now probably will respect this demand zone and not gonna create a lower lows. The whole market structure won't be changed, and yeah, movement to the upside. Do you like my new design? Because I like it. So, and of course, indicator money flow tries to flip to the upside, on Altcoin. Of course, massive money. Of course, on Altcoin, I could say that there's a possible divergence upcoming, but yeah, we'll see if it's gonna play out, because a lot of altcoins are bullish. So why could Altcoin be bearish at this moment? So yeah, like a little bit divergence I see right now. The money flow, the bigger money flow, the smaller money flow, everything is going down, all those fear and greed waves. So of course there's a probability to see movement to the downside, but Altcoin is, every single time we flip into a red, there's a small red, still the money flow pumps into the market. So need more data. Ethereum also tries to flip to the upside. Bitcoin as well. Altcoin right now flip to the on the 6-hour time frame. Of course, those are daily time frames, but on Altcoin we are on a 6-hour time frame. So we'll see. Yeah, after the breakout, falling wedge pattern played out. Right now we see a small ascending triangle pattern or a bullish flag. We'll see how it goes in the upcoming days, because I'm bullish. I'm bullish, so sue me. Gal, on the other hand, I was in the middle of a gal, but look how those beautiful, those trend lines works beautifully. I wasn't involved in this trade. I'm invested in gal, but this setup was not on my radar. So yeah, beautiful rejection, descending trend line. This one, descending trend line, sellers are in control. And after the breakout, look, in my radar, there's only one coin right now that pumped over 100%. So for those who are trading based on trend lines and had this on their radar, they doubled their money, so congratulations. But beautiful movement to the upside after we broke this descending trend. The sellers lost, the buyers won. Boom. Insane move. Because of this massive movement to the upside right now, maybe there's a probability for us to see some kind of formation for a bullish scenario. Yeah, we'll see. Keep an eye on this setup. Mantra, also, if you remember my previous call on my Telegram group, that was deleted in 24 hours. That is deleted in 24 hours. Of course, I told you guys to be super careful, because I believe that Mantra is at its all-time highs, 1.2028. Yeah, over $1. It's at all-time highs, but this beautiful ascending triangle pattern play out perfectly after the breakout. Of course, I was looking at the breakout because well, I wasn't able to catch the movement from the bottom. and the money flow flips into the white again. So we'll see. In a smarter way to do for you guys just to secure profits. There will be more trades. So, and of course, right now, I want to talk about most of the altcoins that I posted right now on my whale room. I gave you guys some calls, more calls that I'm doing in my public group. Let's take a look at Quant. Of course, don't mind this one. It's just the drawings, just the technical analysis, whatever. Look at the Quant. Most of the altcoins that I'm watching right now, and they're like 10s, 20 of altcoins, there's a probable long buy positions right now on those altcoins. On the daily time frame, not every single, but most of the altcoins form some kind of like, they're wedging, falling wedge patterns, say descending channels, whatever, and they're about to break to the upside. Of course, this is not 100% that this would happen, but there's a probability for us to see a movement to the upside on most of those altcoins, because I don't know, maybe the altcoin season is around the corner, we'll see. But I'm always trusting my analysis. I'm always trusting the market structure, not some other stuff. But right now, I see these type of setups: falling wedge pattern, boom, right now breakout, but we're facing this massive resistance. But of course, if we're gonna see a movement to the downside, I'm then expecting some kind of accumulation or consolidation phase. This is just an example. QuantCoin is just a freaking example. So I'm gonna drop more trading ideas in my public and my, of course, trading calls in my whale room. But right now, what do I see? I'm gonna mention you again that most of the altcoins are like forming a bullish market structure. So we'll see what those upcoming days will, I don't know, where we gonna be in those upcoming days. Maybe we're gonna see an altcoin rally. I don't know, those movement to the upsides. I'm trusting the market structure, and we'll see. So that's pretty much for today. I'm gonna wrap it up. All I want to say is for you guys just to keep an eye on most of those altcoins on the daily time frame, on those, well, on the bigger time frames, 12, 1 day, there's like very bullish potential. There's a probability to see a movement to the upside. So a lot of those altcoins looks bullish in my eyes. Of course, the money flow tried to also reverse from the massive red to a white again. So yeah, we'll see. A lot of altcoins are looking bullish right now, so keep an eye on those setups. Turn your notifications on my public Telegram channel, because like I mentioned before, every single post will be deleted in 24 hours, and I have a good reason why I did this. But of course, I'm gonna post on my Telegram group why I did this, but of course I believe that you guys already know. So like, yeah guys, so that's pretty much for today. I hope you guys are enjoying your week, and yeah, probably gonna see you at the top. Cheers.